Finding that special someone is wonderful. That person you're going to spend the rest of your life with, your ride or die, the one you're going to share your home with, maybe raise kids with. That's someone you're going to travel the world with. But you're not going to pay cash for those trips, are you? Ah, hell no. Now that you've got your player too, it's time for you to work together on bringing in those credit card points. Check out this video if you're looking for some tips on how to do that. But what about when it's time to redeem those points? In almost every video I've made, I've spoken about Nicole and I combining our points. Today, I'm pulling back the curtains on how you actually do that. And I'm going to focus on one of the most common point currencies, Ultimate Rewards from Chase. Let's dig into the mechanics of combining UR points with your player 2. Now, before you can combine UR points, it would be helpful to have them. Chase currently offers 7 different credit cards that earn UR points. Relax, I am not reviewing all 7 here. I'm only mentioning them so you know the full range of options. There are 4 personal cards, the Freedom Unlimited, Freedom Flex, Sapphire Preferred, and Sapphire Reserve. However, you can't hold the Sapphire Preferred and Reserve at the same time, so you do have to pick one. There are also 3 business cards that earn UR points, the Ink Unlimited, Ink Cash, and Ink Preferred. If you're eligible for business cards, they are a great source of UR points and come with the best welcome offers. But skip the Ink Premier. After a quick look, it might seem like a good card. If you look deeper, you'll see that it doesn't earn UR points the way those other cards do. While each of those cards earn UR points through your everyday spending habits, you'll get your best return on spending when you meet the sign-up offers for each of them. Another way to rack up those UR points is through referral offers, so make sure you and your P2 are bouncing those referrals back and forth to each other. So now that you and your P2 have all those UR points, how can you combine them? Well, Chase only has one condition for combining points. You must be members of the same household. That's it. You have to share an address. And you're not limited to 2 card holders. If you have an adult child living with you or an in-law living with you, they can join the party also. Chase also does not limit how many points you can combine. I have sent hundreds of thousands of UR points to Nicole. In fact, my Ultimate Rewards account is usually close to empty. I funnel all my points over to Nicole because she holds the Sapphire Preferred. But it all starts with a phone call. Take out one of the UR earning cards from your wallet, okay, and here is mine. It's one of my ink cards. You're going to flip it over and you're going to dial that number on the back. You are going to need to speak with an actual person. You have to get past the automated system. Now, in addition to your own card, you're going to want to have your P2's info as well. And I actually recommend making the phone call together. That way you can set up both of your accounts to transfer points to each other on the same call. Now, thankfully, this is a phone call you only need to make one time. Once you have set up point sharing with your player 2, point transfers can be done through the web page or through their app. Let's take a look at that now. My homepage might look slightly different than yours because my personal and business accounts are linked. After you have logged into your account, select a card that has UR points. Then, what you want to do is redeem those UR points. This will take you to your Ultimate Rewards home. Once you're here, you can access all your UR points. Look at the top right corner and you'll see a drop-down menu that lists all of your UR earning cards. If you're looking to send all your points over, you have 2 options. You can combine all the UR points onto one of your cards and then transfer them to your player 2, or you can send your UR points over one at a time. It doesn't make a difference. Either way, your next step is to click on Reward Details. Then navigate down to Combine Points and give it a click. And while you are clicking, now would be a great time to click to subscribe, and then go ahead and click the like button too. Once you click on Combine Points, you're going to see 2 lists. The list on the left contains all the accounts you can transfer points from. The list on the right contains all the accounts you can transfer points to. Like I said, my balances are pretty low. At the bottom of the list on the right, the list of accounts you can transfer to, you'll find your Player 2's account. The account that's not yours, Player 2's account, looks a little different. You get a little less information than your accounts, but that's where you want all your points to go. Select the account you want to transfer points from. Select the account you want to transfer points to, then click Next. And you know what else to do when you're clicking, right? Yeah, you do. Then enter how many points you want to transfer. If you enter more points than you have, it will turn red and let you know that you can't do that. Then hit the Review button. Take a look at everything. Make sure it's what you want to do, then click Submit. Since it's not your account, you will not be able to see the point increase in the other account. You will see that your points are no longer there. Now, that does feel a little scary. It goes back to one of the key parts of two-player mode, trust. Only unlock two-player mode with someone you have absolute trust with. Once those points are gone, you're done. You and P2 have now combined points, making it easier to have your ultimate rewards. If you're still figuring out your Chase credit card setup and really want to ramp up your point earnings, check out this video next. In the meantime, I appreciate you taking the time to watch one of my videos. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a big old thumbs up. Until next time, safe travels.